I am in a 26-foot long moving trailer, U-Haul, all by myself, just with you, sitting passenger. Don't mind the metal detector, just push it over. And we have to drive from the coast of California to somewhere up by Mt.Shasta. That's all I'm gonna say. That's our job, it's also our mission, and heck, so far, I'm semi-freaked out, so it's an adventure. I was an operator a long time ago, and I drove some big trucks once. So today we're gonna learn all over again, the hard way. I'm loaded up, we're heading down the road, and we're gonna find adventure in between them. Just so you know, this is how this one starts. Glad you're with me for this ride. We're dropping down out of the mountains. We've crossed 3 summits, little California mountain ranges, a couple thousand feet each. After 3 or 4 months of no rain, bitter 100-degree days for weeks after weeks after weeks, I just drove through what you could call a termination dusting. Not for snow, but still. The end of a wet or of a dry season, the beginning of a wet season, and that smell of clay, of dry iron, of dust and rain, it's just billowing through the windows. And I've dropped down out of the windy, crazy things that I had to do and into the huge flat croplands of the Central Valley. Now we'll get on our biggest highway, Highway 5, and bomb north into the night. It's about 9 o'clock. It's been hot all day long. I have cool, rainy air coming through the window. Early September, sometime after midnight, and it's epic. I wish I could film it for you, but the sky is exploding. We drove all the way up to Central Valley, and the lightning is coming from where we're headed. So as we've gotten closer and closer over hundreds and hundreds of miles, now the sky is full of just explosions, and it's flashing white and blue all around us and then lighting up the mountains that we've climbed up into. We're nearing Shasta. We're nearing the edge of the Northwest, my homeland. It's 2:05 a.m. It's not bad, it's just a cute little room. We got a fridge and a microwave, bathrooms, and closets, and more beds than I need. Yeah. I've been driving, so I'm still kind of wired up from that, so I'm going to edit you guys a video until I go cross-eyed sometime in the next half hour probably. And I'll see you in the morning. Okay, we have that magic moment when we're done with work for the day. I have commandeered us a vehicle, and we're going to try and drive up on Mount Shasta a little bit. I just want to see the view up here. If you're interested, then stick with me. Big, beautiful mountain. And there's a fire, I think, down by Red Bluff. So we're getting this huge wash of red coming in here. I'm going to be on this project for another day, so I'm hoping at the end of it, before we have to head south, to do some more adventuring around. So we'll just have to see how it goes. This is a road that goes right up the mountain, Everett Memorial Highway. And lots of spots where you can get out. These are cedars that we're in. Big, beautiful cedar forest. this is all a recreation area. This is just our little reality check. Just get away from everything that we're doing and climb up on the mountain and look at it while we're at the north end of the state. To me, this is the borders of Gondor, of the north and the west. This is all smoke that's blown in from south of us. The bushes that you see us surrounded by are manzanilla mini apple. And this is snow country. So you're on the base of a huge volcano. Not just any volcano, the heart and the core of a Native American world. And this brush can be completely covered by snow sometimes. And we are in bear country. And this is a cinder cone mountain, so like I was saying, the same forces that forced up the rest of the huge volcano itself forced this up. And when you see them like this sharp, it means that they're, in my interpretation, I'd say that they've thrust themselves up way quicker than they could be rounded off by all the erosive forces. So they're a faster moving thing.